Okay, now we're going to talk about comparing integers. When you compare integers, it just means to relate numbers using less than, greater than, or equal to. For example, if you have 1 and 3, you know that 3 is greater than 1, so you would put a less than symbol to say that 1 is less than 3. You can look on your number line and see, when you leave from 0, you have 1, 2, 3. 3 is your farthest number. When you're dealing with positive integers, you want to remember that the farther a number is from 0, the greater the number. Well, what about when we deal with negative numbers? When you're dealing with negative numbers, the farther a number is from 0, the smaller the number. Or, the closer the number is to 0, the larger it is. So if we had our number line here, here's 0, here's your positive side. This -1 is greater than -4 because it is closer to 0. So let's look at some examples. If we have -5 and -10, which one's larger? Well, you know that -5 is coming closer to 0 than -10, so that means that -5 would be your larger number. What about -3 and 0? Well, here's 0, here's -3. The rule is that the closer it is to 0, it's larger, but actually, since 0 is there, it's larger. Here's two positive numbers. We have 2 and 100. Remember, when the numbers are positive, the farther it is from 0, the bigger it is. So 100 would be your greater number. Look at this one. We have the absolute value of 5 and 3. Remember, absolute value is always positive. So here, the absolute value of 5 is actually just 5. So you're comparing 5 and 3, the absolute value of 5, it's greater. Then one more, we have the absolute value of -10, which is 10. The absolute value of -4, which is 4. Which one's larger? Absolute value of -10 or the absolute value of -4? Your answer is the absolute value of -10.